Friday, everyone. I'm Birchard. I'm independent Stampin' UP demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. I have a philosophy that in life, people are going to need 3 types of cards. Happy birthday, thank you, and sympathy card. Everything else is just nice, but I think those 3 are necessary in life. Today's card, I'm going to be using the Thoughtful Moments Dies and Hybrid embossing folder. What do I mean by hybrid? Well, not only does it emboss, but with this die and all of its cute little accessories, I'm going to cut and emboss at the same time. So it nestles in right there and it'll cut out all these greetings. So I'll be using that. And then the other embossing folder I'm going to be using is the layered florals. I think it's just gorgeous. So today is going to be all about embossing and using our Stampin' UP Cut and Emboss machine. As always, all the supplies I've used will be in the description box below. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and let's make a video about me making the card. And there's my embossed card with one crank for the hybrid embossing and die cut. Not only do I have sentiment for this card, but if I can get to it, I've got this stash that I can use for future cards. Then I emboss the flap of the envelope and just the edge of the inside of the card. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.